Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best stainless steel cookware sets for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started, these sets offer the durability and performance you need to take your kitchen to the next level. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Duxtop stainless steel cookware set stands out with its premium 18/10 food-grade stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and preserving food flavor. Designed with a heavy-gauge impact-bonded aluminum encapsulated bottom, it delivers fast, even, and energy-efficient heating across all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and halogen. The set features a classic straight-sided design with drip-free pouring, while tempered glass lids lock in heat and moisture. Inside, clear measuring marks add convenience. This 17-piece set includes various saucepans, a stockpot, a sauté pan, fry pans, a boiler basket, a steam basket, and essential utensils. Built for versatility, it is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, with lid safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also dishwasher-safe and freezer-safe, making it a reliable choice for any kitchen. Whether you are searing, sautéing, or simmering, the Duxtop stainless steel cookware set ensures top-tier performance. Taking the 4th spot is the Cuisinart 17-piece cookware set, a perfect blend of durability, style, and performance. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it features an aluminum encapsulated base that heats quickly and distributes heat evenly, eliminating hot spots for precise cooking. The stainless steel surface does not react with food or alter flavors, ensuring professional-grade results. This comprehensive 17-piece set includes multiple saucepans, skillets, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, a stockpot, and a steamer insert, all equipped with glass lids for easy monitoring. Designed for convenience, the cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Riveted stainless steel handles provide excellent balance and a secure grip, while the drip-free pouring design and flavor-lock lids enhance cooking efficiency. Next on our list is the Calphalon Classic Cookware Set, a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and versatility in the kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this 10-piece set features an impact-bonded aluminum base that distributes heat evenly, ensuring consistent browning, searing, and sautéing. The long stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop for a safe, comfortable grip. Convenient measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers allow for easy and precise cooking. The set is dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup and oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for stovetop-to-oven cooking. Tempered glass lids let you monitor your food without lifting the lid, and the set is compatible with most stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass. At number 2, the Cuisinart 12-piece cookware set offers a perfect combination of style and performance for any kitchen. Featuring professional triple-ply construction, this set has a core of pure aluminum and a brushed stainless finish, ensuring durability and efficient heat distribution with heat surround technology. The cool grip handles, secured with stainless steel rivets, provide a comfortable and safe grip while cooking. This set includes a 1.5-quart saucepan, 3-quart saucepan, a 3.5-quart sauté pan, an 8-quart stockpot, 2 skillets, and a 20cm steamer insert, all with tight-fitting lids to lock in flavor and nutrients. The polished cooking surface does not discolor or alter the taste of food, and the cookware is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, the set is also compatible with induction stovetops. Taking the top spot is the T-fal stainless steel cookware set delivers exceptional quality and practicality for any home cook. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this 11-piece set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance. It includes essential pieces such as 8 and 10-inch fry pans, a 3.5-quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3-quart covered saucepans, a 7-quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The cookware is designed for even heating, preventing hot spots and ensuring reliable results every time. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles for a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pour spouts, this set makes cooking more efficient and enjoyable.